Namaste bachcho. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 3 E ki matra. So we'll start from page number 19. I hope you all have practiced the letters, that is the Vyanjan letters with the E symbol in your notebook. So here first exercise is Shabdarth. We'll just see few words with their meaning. So the first word is sil. Sil means to stitch. Bill, hole. Dil, heart. Din, day. Gin, count. Kitab, book. The other side, kiwad. Kiwad means door. Pita, father. Sir, head. Gir, fall. Fir, again. Gir, around. So these are few words with their meaning. You have to practice these words. You have to pronounce it and learn. Next one is E की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द बनाइए. You have to make words by adding E symbol. E, short E, a straight line and on the top a hook. First one is done it for you. The word is takiya. Takiya means pillow. Next one. You can see pa consonant and a blank space. Ha, ya. Here you have to add E symbol. You know the E symbol, straight line, sleeping line and on the top hook. So you have to write E symbol here. You have to write it along with me. This is his E symbol. So the word is pahiya. Now here ka consonant and before that there is a space. There you have to write this E symbol. When we add E symbol to the consonant ka, it sounds ki, short ki. Next one is sa Vyanjan letter and a space before that. So you have to add their E symbol. Always remember that this E symbol we write to the left of the consonant. Now it sounds C, CR. CR means jackal. Next one is ka with E symbol, it's ki. Again a space here. You have to write this E symbol. So kish, mish. It means raisins. I hope you all have done it. Now let's move to the second exercise. That is चित्र के नाम के सामने सही का निशान लगाइए. So you can see here few pictures are given and words are also given, but you have to tick the correct word. The first picture is kitab, book. So you can hear ki, kitab. So which one is correct? This one or this one? First one is kitab, the next one is hiran. So this option is correct. So you have to mark a tick sign. Next picture is, can you identify it? It's postman. In Hindi we say dakiya. So two words are given here. You have to identify which is dakiya. The first one, is it the first one? No. The first one is viman. Second one is dakiya. So you have to mark this tick option here. Now the third one. First word is kitab. Second one is kila. Can you identify this picture? It is fort. We know that kitab means book and this kila means fort. So you have to tick this one. Now the fourth one. Fourth. Can you identify which animal is this? Yes, it's deer. In Hindi, we say hiran. The second word is dakiya. So, you have to mark the correct one. Hiran. So, here we are using E symbol with the Vyanjan letters. It has short sound ki, kitab. Now, we will move to the next exercise, that is Chitra ka naam likhiye. So, you have to write the name of this picture. The first picture is glass. In Hindi, we say gilas. So, first a straight standing line, E symbol, ga, la, A symbol, then sa. You have to write this word in your textbook. It is gilas. Second picture is book. In Hindi, we say kitab. So, ki. First, you can write the consonant ka, then E symbol, ta, and ba. It's kitab. Don't forget to write this sleeping line on every word. Next picture is bird. In Hindi, we say chidiya. The spelling is cha, E symbol, dha, and E symbol, and then ya with A symbol. It's chidiya. So, you have to practice saying these words. Then only you can identify the E symbol. Chidiya, kitab, gilas. Okay. I hope you all have done it. Now, let's move to the fourth exercise. That is jode milaiye. Match the following. So, the first one is done it for you. Book means kitab. Now, the next one, deer. Deer means hiran. So, you have to just match it, a straight line. The third one is bird. Bird means chidiya. Chidiya. Now, let's move to the other side. Postman, as we have already discussed, we say dakiya. So, this is dakiya. Fort, kila. Sitar, sitar. I hope you all have marked it. Now, let's move to the fifth exercise. The question is, चित्र को उसके नाम के साथ जोड़िए. So, pictures are given on both the side and at the center name is given. So, you have to just match it. As we know, this is bird and the Hindi word is chidiya. So, you have to search where chidiya is and then match it. Next one is, can you identify this picture? Yes, it's farmer. And Hindi we say kisan. Ki-san. So, you can see here it's ki, sa. With sa consonant we have a symbol. So, it's a longer sound. Ki-san. Next picture, gilas. You have to match it like this. The fourth one is kitab. I hope it's clear. This chapter is clear for you, the use of E symbol. Now, this is an interesting exercise. I know you love to color it. So, you have to make it attractive by coloring it. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.